Hey y'all, good morning. As I told you yesterday, I am out today and tomorrow, which is Thursday and Friday. So, what I want you to be working on these next 2 days is some peer revision of these rhetorical analysis essays. In your document today, that's going to be posted in your Google Classroom, if you scroll down, can I be honest? For some reason, I can't figure out how to get this to be moved up here. It is legitimately driving me super crazy. So I'm just leaving the page blank. And you just have to scroll to the second page to start doing what you're supposed to do. It's one of those things, and I have no idea. And if somebody wants to teach me about Google Docs later, that would be welcome. Okay, so I am going to let you choose from within your breakout groups who you would like to partner up with. You can be in a group of 2 or 3. I'm going to let you choose. I know sometimes sharing writing can be kind of vulnerable. And these breakout groups, remember, I let you sign up for them. So hopefully you feel comfortable with at least one other person in that breakout group. So the entire process is pretty self-explanatory, but once you have identified who you are going to be peer reviewing, you need to write their name here and your name here, right here where it says reviewer. And then you just walk through this process. I wanted to, this was probably something you could easily figure out. However, I really want to emphasize how important and how helpful peer reviewing can be. I said this a couple times in class, but when you are looking at somebody else's work and you are looking for specific things, it's naturally going to make you start to look for those things in your own writing. And once your peer reviewer has pointed them out to you, you'll be able to go back and find them. And the next time you write, hopefully some of these ideas will still be stuck in your head and you can start to look at your own essays through these lenses. All right, so for example, you're going to copy and paste each chunk of the essay into these boxes. So you'll copy and paste the introduction right here. Once you do that, just follow the instructions. You'll highlight the thesis in green. You'll reflect on whether the thesis is device-driven or ideas-driven. Then you will highlight elements of the rhetorical situation you see. So while you are doing this in their introduction, hopefully you'll be thinking about yours and you'll be thinking, wait a minute, did I include mention of the context in my introduction? And you can not only give your partner that feedback, you can then go review that in your own as well. So you're going to do that for each of the body paragraphs. The body paragraph here is, copy and paste body paragraph 3. I don't know why it says roll here. I'm going to add a quick note here. If there is one. Some of you wrote essays that do not have a third body paragraph. That is completely fine. I want to reiterate that at no point in the rubric for this essay is there any sort of length requirement or paragraph requirement. So if your essay is an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion, you can still earn 6 out of 6 points on that rubric. All right. We are certainly more focused on content, strength of analysis, than the length of the essay. Okay, so if there is a third body paragraph, you paste it there. The one thing I want to point out, I want this bullet point right here. This is after you've highlighted the analysis or the commentary. I want you to look at it and ask yourself, is the person here actually analyzing? Are they asking themselves those questions about, what does this tell us about the writer? What does this tell us about the audience? Why would this be convincing to the audience? Sorry, my it's the end of the day. Right, and give them feedback on that. If they put evidence in and then just summarize the evidence, let them know that, because that's where they will lose points in the rubric. All right, so you will go all the way through, all the way to the end to this final question. Does the writer write in first person, make off-topic references? I want to frame all of this for you all by saying, first of all, this is writing is a process. This is your first AP rhetorical analysis essay. Okay. Everybody's coming into this, giving it they're doing their best while also like doing it for the first time. So this is a way for us to help each other. This is not a place to be critical. This is not a place where you should take somebody's advice as offense towards your writing. If somebody's telling you, hey, you didn't like write a thesis statement, that's great to know, right? You want to have a thesis statement in your essay. So take this feedback with open arms and an open mind. And I really challenge you to spend time giving each other feedback and really take the time to give your partner the feedback that you would hope to get on yours. This is like a total golden rule moment, right? Give feedback on somebody else's essay the way you would like to get feedback on yours. If I'm writing an essay that's a summative, I want somebody to tell me everything that they see that I'm not doing well, right? Because you have a chance to fix it before it gets to my eyes. Okay? If you do have questions during this process, I will be online tomorrow because I'm going to be in trainings. But I don't think I'm going to be able to respond to any sort of in-the-moment questions. But you can send me emails if anything is super urgent. But this is stuff that you should probably be able to troubleshoot on your own. I want to also encourage you to use that list of rhetorically strong verbs that were posted in the assignment from Tuesday, and then use any of the other resources throughout the unit, examples of strong intros, thesis statements, analysis, etc. I'm going to leave this open to do Thursday and Friday. This might take a while, so spend that time maybe peer reviewing on Thursday and then reviewing your feedback on Friday and making edits to your essay on Friday. All right, I hope you have a great couple of days and a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.